about to remove the passenger airbag out this '03 Max. Should be the same for 2000, '01, '02, same process. Alright, let's start this thing. It's the airbag right there. You have to drop the glove box to get to that. So first things first, disconnect the battery. Okay, once you disconnect the battery, let it sit for like 15-20 minutes. So let's empty out this whatever's in here. There's nothing in here, we good. So whatever you have in here, clean it out. Now let's get to the bolts, the screws. You need a screwdriver. See, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 2 under here. You have, see, there's one right there, boom, boom, and there's one, should be one over here, but it's not there. Okay, so let's take all those off. Boom. Okay. Oh, it dropped. Guess that one wasn't holding on over here, but it should hold on. Okay, you have to remove that one. Mine's already wasn't tight, so it came off. This is your airbag wire right here. Wires right here. This is for the light that goes in there. So let's take this off. Take that off. Squeeze here. Get like a needle nose. Squeeze it so you can push it through the hole. Okay, got this right here. Squeeze it. Put it through the hole. One. I'm gonna need 2 hands so I can hold it and push it through because it's gonna fall. Okay, so like I said, this bolt was already out, so you really have to take this off right here. If you can't reach it, you have to take this off. Just take that off and just pull it off. It's easy. The trim too. To take that out, the trim got caught on this whole trim. So you just pull on it, it should pop out. Easy. Okay, let's put this glove box somewhere over here. Now that's your airbag right here in there. Okay, let's disconnect this right here. What you gotta do is pull this white thing right here back. Boom. And pull on the back. Now there's 2 12s up here. Just go up here. Boom. See those? 1, 2. Take your 12 and take that shit out. Got my 12 right here with the extendo, so I can reach in there. Put in my gun. Boom. Now let's get in there. You don't have to have it this long, but if yours can reach with one of these, you should be alright. Okay. Be careful, be careful. That's 1 and 2 up there. That's 2. Come on. Okay. Now all you have to do is push it from the bottom and lift it up. I'll show you real quick. Now you just push it from the bottom. It should be like right here. You put your hand here, up. You feel it. It's like a metal thing up here. All you gotta do is push it up. I don't know if you see. You can't really see. Like the airbag's there though. So all you gotta do is push up. As you see, I pushed it a little bit. Now keep pushing up on it. Boom. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Watch your wire. Okay. Okay, once you get your new one, or if you're just swapping it for another color or whatever, let's put this shit back. Same way you took it out. Put this in with the wire. Boom. The wire in. Make sure you put it like behind here. You see? Behind here. It's like that. Behind this big ass metal shit. Behind there. And drop it in. Boom. Make sure it's flat. No bumps. No lumps. Okay. Now let's connect these connectors. Boom. Heard that click? That's how it's supposed to be. Once you connect this, let's do the 12s. It's all the way up there. The two 12s. If you could reach in there with your hand to put that 12 on, if your hand's skinny like mine, you could just, you know, go in there easy. But if you can't, you could do a paper trick. Put a piece of paper right over this and put this in, or just do it like this, carefully. Try to put it in there. Turn it. See, you don't really need that piece of paper, because as soon as you are careful, put it in there slow, you should get it. Let's tighten it. Now I take the glove box and connect this and that. Okay, let's put it to the hole. Without saying, these holes right here. So push it through. Boom. 2. Connect your light here, and let's screw this back up. Okay, middle one over here. Boom. Okay, you got 2 at the bottom. Okay, put the bottom on right here. Boom. It's good, and this one's missing. Alright, that was it. Do not forget to connect your battery. If you need help, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics. And if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.